and archery.
That means that.
Okay.
If we're able to.
Yeah, but you know.
North is this one.
We do our big cleanup next Friday.
He's retired Air Force. It's beautiful in here.